If they don't want to, they can always carry their phone.
And do the medicine.
If not, you understand, you do bulk. Here now, can often take at least 4.
That's
Four.
8. That's 8.
It will look more flashy.
Everybody can exercise this system.
I know, no, it's a normal thing for football team. So this is used by this room and that
The other room.
And I think instead of having we'll remove all these bathtub and shower.
Yeah.
We just put the marketing this thing, remove all this one, do shower finish. But all these ones are even dangerous now. So all these ones we remove just to shower. Floors, shower, drain. Many houses they are removing all this. So all the rooms that are here, remove them and turn to shower. On the basis of what is seeing you play on the field. Mr. Governor is determined that the insurance must get promoted next season. Not the one we win today at home, the next week we lose away matches. So towards that we are trying to see what we can do at least to start the preseason in earnest. Obviously, I've always watched you and I've always believed that we have the best in the league. When I watch you play and I watch other teams that play against you another league, I see no reason why we cannot be in the professional league. But at the same time, we are going to reinforce the team. We are going to have new players to join the ones we already have. and also we are going to work on the management team so that we'll have a very effective team. We will not have an insurance that Deputy Governor will write note to coach for him to be a player. We will not have insurance where honorable members will write note to a coach to have a player play. Football has not degenerated to the level a deputy governor will be writing notes to coach to have a player to play in insurance. Or a commissioner will write to you to have a player to play insurance. It has not degenerated to that level. Football is what you show on the field of play. So Mr. Governor have also said that we want to have insurance that is by merit. It's by merit you will be in Insurance Football Club. So that when the coach have arranged his team and his team is not doing well, he should know that he's on his way out. If he arranges his team is doing well, he should know that he can even have better contracts, because by the time you get to professional league, you know what it means. So we want to have that kind of a professional Bendel insurance, so that at the end of the day, we will not only be winning trophies, you majority of you will play in the in the national team. So maybe under 17, because you are very young, some under 17, some under 20. For now, I'm not seeing any Super Eagles player here. I'm only seeing under 17, under 20. Unless you are extra brilliant, you can go and break record in the Super Eagles. But I can see future national team players here, both at the junior level and the under game. So why we have come first is to thank you for the last season, and to tell you that we are already working hard to make sure that the next season will be a fruitful one. There will be some small changes, but the changes will not be too much, because I know that you guys were very good. Only few, and you know yourself. I don't need to talk. You know yourself. You know those ones that were playing the matches. You know those ones that came with a letter from different people. If you came with letter and you cannot play the game, you are out. That is just the truth. If you came on your own and you play very well, you are in. There is not going to be letter from. If governor is not sending letter, will deputy governor send letter? If deputy governor is not letter, will commissioner send letter? So this season there won't be an insurance where people send letter to coach for the player to play. It will be on merit. So it will be an open camp. Even when we know some of you that whether open or no open, you are our players, but we are going to have, people are already subscribing. People want to be in insurance this season. So we want that challenge, so that when we lose matches, we know that that team can beat any other team in the world. And when we win matches, we know we are supposed to win the match, not because of we're supposed to win. So I want to thank you, and the commissioner will consistently interface with you, and very soon the screening process will start, and we are trying to get this place fixed. That is why I'm here in person with the two commissioners, for us to see and brief Mr. Governor of what we have seen and what we need to do to get the camp started. So I want to thank you all for last season, and pray that if not all of you, most of you will be in the new insurance. Thank you.
We don't see the work they do, and we don't hear everything where you don't tell the players them. We don't see what they do last season, and it gets some matter where you talk when they talk to them. You say this thing now based on say they go walk way before they get there. Not be say they want they enter anyhow. I beg, I want me to tell the country people the kind things where they expect from these players they may they do before they go come belong to this club.
Yes, first what did I would do be say you must have play the football. Insurance, they get their own style where they play. You know, if they watch Premiership now, Arsenal, Man U, all those one, and they get their own style where they play. Our own insurance, when they play, people will say, "Nah, insurance be that." So, if you want our club this time, you must get skill, because insurance they do skill well. They sabi dribble, they sabi hold ball, they know they play anyhow. Even when they score them, their game no they change. They play as they play them, and they will come equalize, come win you. And so any player who won't come, he will still get that insurance spirit inside them. And the spirit be say you must be very skillful. Football now about entertainment now, not be only winning. Though winning at the end result, but you go win. We don't want insurance not be that kind of thing where they play go. No, they go when they play and they see say go soon come, and the go just come. So any player we won't come join us this time, you go get that skill.
Thank you, Your Excellency. And now the tori una don hear so from Deputy Governor. He don't talk the matter. He say na me una work, na skill na una won't see. No be say to come they do gbag. Now say you go put the matter inside the matter because this one na insurance and you must to insure yourself. Till Live Media na they talk this and I talk.